Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TP-Link Tapo app to configure Wi-Fi smart plug energy reports, full guide step by step clearly. First, open the App Store on your mobile device. If you are using an iPhone, locate the App Store icon. For Android users, find the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar of the App Store, type TP-Link Tapo. Press the search button to see the results. Locate the TP-Link Tapo app from the list of applications. Ensure it is the correct app by verifying the developer's name is TP-Link Technologies Company, Limited. Next, tap on the app to open its detail page. On this page, look for the Download or Install button. Tap the button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the app to fully download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the TP-Link Tapo app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. You may be prompted to allow certain permissions. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant them. Upon opening the app, create a new account or log in to your existing account. Follow the setup guidance provided in the app to configure your Wi-Fi settings. Once connected, navigate to the Device Management section to find your smart plug. Select your smart plug and then access the energy report features to monitor usage. Enjoy using the TP-Link Tapo app to manage your smart plug efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.